Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Kriba to Cloud. In this session, we will understand what is cloud storage and its benefits. We will also look at different types of AWS storage services and its futures. What is cloud storage? Cloud storage is defined as a web service where your data can be stored, accessed, and easily backed up by users over internet. Amazon S3 Cloud Storage provides the following benefits. Amazon S3 Cloud Storage is more flexible, is more reliable, and can be easily accessed. You only pay for what you use. It is a low cost storage and is more secure. Types of storage. We have different types of storage services available in AWS. They are Amazon S3. Amazon S3 is the object based storage service where you can store and retrieve any amount of data. It is called a storage for internet. Amazon EBS. Amazon EBS is a block storage which is attached to a EC2 instances. EFS. EFS is a file system storage that can be mounted to a EC2 instances. Amazon Glacier. Amazon Glacier is a low cost storage for data archiving and long term backup. Amazon Storage Gateway. The Storage Gateway is a hybrid cloud storage service that gives you on premise access to a virtually unlimited cloud storage. AWS Snowball. Snowball is a petabyte scale data transfer solutions that use secure appliance to transfer large amount of data in and out of AWS cloud. Amazon Simple Storage Services S3. Amazon Simple Storage Service S3 is a object storage service that can be used to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time from anywhere on the web. Amazon S3 is a storage for internet. You can store unlimited amount of data in Amazon S3. You can store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere at any time. All data in Amazon S3 is stored as object in S3 bucket. This S3 bucket is nothing but a container which holds the objects. The objects may be PDF file, text file, documents, image file, etc. Amazon S3 is a storage for internet. Amazon S3 is a highly scalable, reliable, and more secure. In Amazon S3, you can store, retrieve any amount of data. The data is stored as object in S3 bucket. The bucket is a container in Amazon S3 where files are uploaded. The bucket name must be unique across all regions where you create S3 bucket. You can create a maximum of 100 buckets using a single AWS account. If you want to create more than 100 buckets using a single AWS account, you need to raise a separate request to AWS to increase the limit. While creating an object, a key will be assigned to object. This key will be used for retrieving the object. Amazon S3 offers the following features such as versioning, logging, static website hostings, and encryption. Amazon Elastic Block Store, which is also called as EBS. Amazon Elastic Block Store is a persistent block level storage volume attached with Amazon EC2 instances. You can attach an multiple EBS volume to an EC2 instances. What do you mean by persistent? Persistence is nothing but Data in which EBS volume is stored remains even after you restart your EC2 instances or shut down your EC2 instances or power off your EC2 instances. EBS volume is nothing but a local hard disk which is attached to your computer. It acts as a hard disk in which you can store your data locally. Amazon EBS volume is a persistent block level storage. Amazon EBS volume is a network attached and continue independently after life of instances. Once you attach a EBS volume to a instances, EBS volume can be used as a physical hard drive of the server. You can have one EBS volume for boot volume and can have other EBS volume for data attached to same EC2 instances. An EBS volume can be attached to only one EC2 instances at a time. You can't attach multiple EBS volume to a single EC2 instances or single EC2 instance cannot contain multiple EBS volume. You cannot attach and mount same EBS volume to multiple EC2 instances. At any point in time, you can attach and detach the EBS volume from the EC2 instances. Amazon Elastic File System EFS. Amazon Elastic File System provides file system interface attached to an EC2 instances. You can mount the same file system across multiple EC2 instances, and EFS share access to data between multiple EC2 instances. Amazon Elastic File System is a file level storage service attached to your EC2 instances. Amazon EFS provides file system storage attached to EC2 instances. Amazon EFS is a SAT file system, which means you can mount the same file system across multiple EC2 instances. It is fully managed file system and SAT file system. The data is EFS is automatically replicated across availability zones within a region. You can also mount EFS on your on-premise servers through NFS 4.1 protocol. EFS is elastic. The file system automatically grows and shrinks automatically as you add or remove files. There's no minimum fees or minimum commitment for storage space. Amazon Glacier. Amazon Glacier is a long-term backup and data archival storage service with low cost. Amazon Glacier is a low-cost storage service which used to store your infrequent or less frequent access data and is used for long-term backup and data archival. However, the retrieval cost is high in Amazon Glacier. Amazon Glacier is a secure, durable, and low-cost storage service. It is used for long-term backup and data archival storage service. Amazon Glacier moves infrequently accessed data to archival storage to save money on storage cost. Amazon Storage Gateway. Amazon Storage Gateway is a hybrid cloud storage service that gives you on-premise access to virtually unlimited cloud storage. Amazon Storage Gateway acts as a gateway between your on-premise data center and AWS cloud. Amazon Storage Gateway service is deployed as a virtual machine in your existing environment. This VM called Storage Gateway and you connect your existing application storage devices or systems. The storage gateway optimizes data transfer from on-premises to AWS. It also provides low latency access through a local cache so application can access frequently used data locally. The service is also integrated with other AWS services such as CloudWatch, CloudTrail, and IAM. The storage gateway supports three storage interfaces such as file gateway, volume gateway, and tape gateway. Amazon Snowball. Amazon Snowball is a petabyte scale data transfer services that uses Amazon provided storage device for transport. If you have a large amount of data like petabyte or exabyte of data to be transported from your on-premise data centers to AWS cloud, Amazon provides you with a device where you can transport large amount of data which is of petabyte or exabyte of data from your on-premise data centers to AWS cloud using Amazon Snowball. Amazon Snowball is a petabyte scale data transfer storage service. Customer can use Amazon devices to transport large amount of data from on-premises to AWS cloud. AWS Snowball comes with two types of storage sizes, 50 terabyte and 80 terabyte data. When customer finish transferring data to device, they simply ship the Snowball back to AWS facility. AWS Snowball Edge is a petabyte scale data transfer solution, but it transports more data up to 100 terabyte data. Thank you for watching.